Okay, so hello everyone. Today I'll talk about briefly just about chapter 11, learning objective. Identify dialog box that display when you over dimension or over constrain a sketch. Use the sketch doctor to diagnose and correct failure that occur due to problems in the sketch section. Use the design doctor to diagnose and correct failure, a future failure that occur in the region other than problems in sketch. If you have anything like this and you open the inventor and you open part and you start 2D sketch and you create a sketch in the any XY plane, let's say you have something like this. Okay, and let's say you have dimension here from here to here, and you want to add dimension from here to here. This is the simple. Okay, so you will have something like this. See, error. Okay, so this is the error that we are talking about. What's the error? Sketch dimension already exists. So if you read this one, that you understand that you cannot apply dimension from here to here because this dimension is already available on the right side. This is one of the examples. Other examples, as an example, if you want to make extrude, you don't want to. See here you find this one. Examine profile problem. Can you see this red? Examine profile problem. You will find this one. So here, no valid closed loop found in the sketch. Okay, so you cannot make extrude because no valid closed loop. Okay, so this is select. Let's select, examine, treat. You will go next. Diagnose sketch or edit sketch. Let's say diagnose sketch, finish. Redundant point, missing point. See, you will have you have open loop, so you have to go next again and treat, next again, edit sketch in this time. Running to sketch, returning to sketch environment, use sketch tool to resolve the problem. You will find one more time that it return you back to the sketch to edit it. Okay, but I want to show you something here that you didn't notice. I don't want this one. Okay, when I did like this, see, and I say diagnose sketch and finish, or examine, finish. See what type of treatment I need. I need to check for redundant point, missing constraint, overlap curve, open loop, intersecting. So if I say okay, it will find for me this area. Can you see the point in green? And you will see the error name, open loop. Open loop. So this will help you to understand that you have an open loop here. Okay, so next edit sketch, finish. It will tell you, okay, go edit sketch. Now what you need to do is to, as an example, close this area. Maybe you can make extend and then you can make trim. Now if you go to extrude, you will find that you are able to create extrude without having this plus sign here. Okay, like, so that's it. This is all about chapter 11. It's just straightforward. Just tell you what's the failure, what's the problem, select, treat, next, and edit sketch, and diagnose first. Tell you that redundant point, missing constraints, overlap curve, open loop, self-intersecting, and so on. Okay, when you go down, you will find you have to, as an example, extrusion modeling failure. Okay, or edit extrude feature, or delete feature, or suppress feature. How to solve this problem? if you have problem in the extrude, and so on. Okay, here there is example. Okay, I will show to you this example. Okay. Fifty-seven. This one. 26. Extend this one here. Extend this one here. Or extend this one here. Let's say like this. Okay. After the dimension sketch, it might look like similar to that shown in figure. Drag the end of the lines arc to obtain sketch shown in figure. Okay, so they want to move this one back here and move this one back here. I will try to trim. I will add dimension again for the angle. 57. Okay, like this. So it will look like this one. Okay. In the create panel, click extrude. Okay, let's go. Click extrude. Edit sketch. I'll make this one constraint. Extrude. See, I cannot make extrude. I want it solid. So click here, you will have problem. Okay, what's the problem? We like no valid closed loop found. See, no valid closed loop found. Okay, so next, click on treatment, option to display sketch doctor. Okay, next. diagonal sketch, edit, okay, finish. It will tell you what's the problem that I need to diagnose: redundant, missing, overlap curve, open loop, self. Okay, I will check. See here, it will show me that I have open loop this one and open loop this one. See in green, this one open loop, this one open loop. Okay. Use extend trim to close the loop, finish the sketch, and that's it. Okay, go next, edit, finish. Okay, extend, trim, finish, extrude. That's it. Yani this is all about the first lecture. I'll stop the recording